Hey guys, welcome to Pick a Card with Nesara Gowda channel. So today I'm back with another Pick a Card video. So the topic is their true feelings and intentions towards you. Okay, you can keep anyone in your mind. Just pick a card. There are 4 options given for you guys. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. I almost forgot it. Okay, so the timestamps for the cards are given below in the description. Go there and check out your card reading. So take time, feel free to pause the video, use your intentions and choose a card. So this is going to be very interesting video, as this is all about your partner, their true feelings and intentions about you. Okay, so yeah, I shall see you all in your readings. Bye bye. Hey, option 1 people, those who choose the very first option, so your reading is here for the question, their true intentions, their true feelings towards you. Okay, so I hope, if you are new here, please consider subscribing channel. Here I'll be uploading pick a card videos. Okay, we got some cards. The very first card is the 7 of Cups, and the second card is King of Swords, third card is the Temperance. Okay, let me just focus the cards. Okay, for many of you, I could see that your person is having more than one option, or it could be like they're acting like they have more than one options or more than one people. I feel like there are many other people involved, or it could be third party, or it can be like your partner is very attractive that many other people are attracted towards them, or it can also be like your partner is like this King of Swords, the one who is powerful, who is strongest. I also see that your person look at you like someone who is having, it could also be like you are having more than one option, like your partner is like, will they choose me over all other, over all of these, about these options, or they're a bit of confused that will you choose them. It can also be like you're powerful for them, you're like, you are sitting in a very powerful position, who is like who's having the ability to take any good decision, who is like very strong enough. Your partner also see you like someone who handles situation very patience, with a lot of patience. You have your, your partner totally look at you like someone who's having this matured thinking, like matured feelings, like who doesn't make random choices. It's very nice that I feel like you are someone totally they're totally attracted, because you have this stability in your mind, the decision making, you're very good at communication. It could also be like that. Okay, let us pull some more cards. Your person is kind of bit of tension, that it can also be like okay, let me pull some more cards. You might have more than one person or more than one option to choose, or to choose someone. You got the Page of Pentacles and the Lovers card. Amazing. Your person loves you, definitely. There is some sort of very good connection between you and your person. With the Page of Pentacles here, I feel like they're a bit of confused. Should I have to move this with this person, or you see the Temperance, they're kind of bit of confused right now. They're in thinking about you, they're in patience, they're like, what will happen if I move with this person, if I communicate about our love, about my feelings with this option 1 people. They're like holding you, they're thinking about you, but still like not making any move. I could see that, because they feel like they're a bit of confused. Will you choose them, because they feel like you already have many stuffs going on in your life. With the Lovers card, definitely they have this true feelings for you, they have the true intentions towards you, option 1. So no doubt they just want to be with you, they want to have this, loving moments. Yeah, this is something amazing I got about your partner, that there's no doubt, but this person is kind of bit of confusion. Okay, definitely that happens when someone love, Okay, I also see that this person, you could, you met this person somewhere. This is not a long distance, definitely. Here, this is like, this person watches you always. This person will look at you. If you move in front of them, definitely they look at you. They're like 100% sure that they're all ready to care for you, to take care of you, to nurture you. They're like, they want to share their feelings, but something, the Seven of Cups, they feel like they're a bit of confused, like, will you accept them? Definitely it's kind of that situation, not able to make any move. Your person is kind of stuck. What's this happening with your person? They love you, they want to take care of you, they really want to be with you. They, you know they're a bit of thinking a lot. With the Three of Wands, it's a definite card that they have this true feelings, they have emotions for you, they have love for you. Definitely we got Lovers card, no doubt that they care for you. With the King of Cups, definitely they're like thinking, they're not able to make a next move towards you. Okay, this bit of, you're kind of a challenge for them. They're thinking a lot before making next move. Okay, they couldn't even communicate. They're just watching you from very far, thinking whatever they take about the next move. They're kind of thinking a lot. What will happen? What will happen? What will this option one thinks? They really want to care you. Option one, they're thinking, they're weighing things between you and between them, the similarities, the differences. I feel like they're weighing with the patience. With the Page of Cups, definitely they have you on your mind. So it can also be that they have involved in some other business or some other work. Right now they couldn't focus on you, or it's like, yeah, they're a bit of confused, I should say that, when it comes to you. Knight of Cups, definitely they're gonna come in future. Option one, definitely they'll hold the emotions with their hand. It's, you can see this Knight of Cups is someone like expressing their love. It's like expressing their feelings. I feel like they're gonna come. Option one, in future they'll express all those feelings they have for you. Definitely the one whom you are thinking right now, option one, definitely they have feelings for you, no doubt in that. You're asking someone about the right person. Amazing. We got the Empress card. This is something amazing going on between you guys. I feel like they look at you like someone like a prince or a princess who can take them to the next level of happiness. You are like, bunch of abundance. If they get into you, definitely they'll feel all these butterflies, or you like, they feel like you both are meant for each other. Like, you care them. They feel like you are well matured enough to take care of someone who is like a childish. I feel like the other person whom you're thinking a bit of younger than you, they just want someone to take care of them, or they just want to hook up with someone who act like a matured enough to take care of someone. um, they just think about you because they want that give and take relationship. They care you and they want the same thing for them. This is that kind of person. They just don't want anything else. They feel like you are the lucky for them. You're abundance, you're full, you're with you, their life can be full, complete, 100% complete. It can be like that. The other person whom you're thinking a bit of younger, I feel like the Chariot. Amazing. Definitely, no doubt, they just want to move with you. They just want to take the next step very fast. They see you someone, they see some, I mean, yeah, with you they feel like they can make everything which is not happening right now, it might completely happen. Like, the Lovers card never lie. Okay, it's kind of, I can see the mutual sharings between you guys. It's like, yeah, I see that between you guys. Definitely the person whom you're thinking, they have these feelings towards you. They just want to move. Definitely they'll come very fast. They have this dreams about you. They feel like abundance if they are with you. Bit of confusion, like if you have someone in your life, or will you choose them if they move towards you. Definitely the Three of Wands and the Chariot cards, like they're thinking about, what about my next move, their next move. Definitely they'll come, they'll make a plan, they'll hold all those feelings they need to share with you. Definitely they'll make a move towards you. I feel like that. Option one, They just want this caring, that nurturing. You're a bit of matured, I feel like that, and so much attracted for that. You have that potential to make a very good decisions, or you're very good, you're already like in that position where you have is all this success, you have abundance. They're bit of attracted towards that beautiful thing you have in your life. Yeah, this is something like younger, I feel like that, someone younger than you, option 1. Okay, that is all for you. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Here, option 2 people, those who choose the second option, so your reading is here for the question, their true feelings and intentions about you. Okay, option 2, if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. Yeah, so today's, oh my god, we got the devil card. Okay, today's question, as we all know, that true feelings and intentions about you. Option 2, we got the very first card as devil. Let me check what else we have. What the other person feel about you, what are their true intentions. Okay, let me pull some more cards to know more about this devil. Okay, okay, this is like 2 major arcanas I got you, option 2. Somewhere I feel like the other person feel there is something stuck between you guys. There is something holding you guys back, or they feel like you are not taking it to the next level, or it's like you're not making move. You are controlled by someone, or someone is controlling you, or it can also be like you are already in a relationship with someone but you're not happy. The other person thinks like that, maybe. Or it can be like you are like asking about your partner whom you're already in relationship with. Yeah, I also feel like that about this person. It can be like you are asking about someone whom you're already in relationship. As I told before, they feel like these days you're not happy, or yeah, it can also be like, are you feeling stuck in this relationship? They're thinking about you like, are you feeling stuck in this relationship? Okay, they're thinking about like this, option 2. Yeah, with the Wheel of Fortune, definitely they want to they also feel like you are not a constant person. You'll be like going with the flow, whatever happens. It's like Wheel of Fortune is all about getting our karma back, or it can also be like going on with the flow, moving with the flow with something. You're just moving, not sure what's happening in life exactly. You're just moving. It could be like that, option 2. The other person is thinking like that about you. Okay, we got the 3 major arcana. Something great, I mean, something, a big thing is happening between this you guys. The other person think like you're the one who takes risks and move. You're like, you are ready to move, or you're like, you don't think much and you just randomly make a move, or go to other person, like not other person, go to some other new unknown places. Though they feel like you are tied between someone, you are ready to go out of that relationship, or you're ready to take on the next move. I feel like this is someone, you're asking about someone whom with yeah, it could also be like you're asking about someone with whom your relationship, bit of confused about them. You are a bit of confused, like, is this a right person? Is this the one whom I should be? I feel like that, option 2. But I think the other person feel like the same way. Am I controlling this person? Or it's like, is this person feeling good with me, better with me? Are they feeling all is comfortable with me? Because they're a bit of confused, like these days you act like you're in control, you're under control of something, or it's like, yeah, it's a bit of confusing here for them. Okay, if you guys are single, definitely the other person think like you are controlled by someone. Knight of Swords. Okay, Knight of Swords is all about someone rushing into something without knowing exactly what is happening. They just want to cut off the wrong things happening here. Okay, I feel like that option 2 for many of you, it's like the other person whom you are asking here, they think like you are into something, some relationship, or it can be you are into some business, or which is controlling you, which is not making you to exactly relationship, or it can be you are into some business, or okay, the other person think like you're not happy in whatever you are right now. Option 2, you have just entered, I mean like you randomly entered into someone or something, some business or something, into something, and right now you're just going with the flow, not happy with what it's getting you. You just want to cut off the wrong thing, but you're not able to. With the devil card, I'm getting strong influence by this devil card, that the other person think like, yeah, you are being controlled with someone, you have no any other option, you are just going with the flow. Yeah, the other person think like that, you are not happy with something. Okay, let us know what exactly the other person think about you. Okay, we got the 7 of, oh my god, we usually get the 7 of cups whenever I do this loud reading. Okay, yeah, 7 of cups is all about the other person also think like you have so many options, or you have many options to come out of this exact situation, come out of this exact person, or come out of this exact business, but still you are not. What is holding you back? Option 2, the other person thinks like that, they have option, they definitely make a move with other person. Why get in stuck or get in control of the situation? Yeah, the other person care for you. Option 2, they just want to get you out from the situation where you're struggling right now. They know that you are struggling, not able to make the move. Okay, you just rushed into something, rushed into someone, rushed into some relationship, or it could be like that, rushed into some business, or rushed into someone, some relationship, or yeah, the other person see you like someone sad, like you are sad with someone, sad in this relationship. It's like you are, it can also be like you are stuck in your past relationship. We got wheel of fortune, definitely tells about our past thing, past what we did, or it's like you are regretting. Option 2, you are kind of regretting about your past relationship, you are not able to move, you are stuck in the past relationship. I got an idea about this option 2. Definitely the other person is like they just want to move into you, they just want to rush into you. Option 2, but you are like you are stuck in your past relationship. I feel like they just want to enter, but you are resisting them to enter into your life. Yes, this is what happening. You're not making anyone to enter, I mean like not letting anyone to enter your life, because you're still stuck in your past relationship, or whatever happened you're just regretting. It could be your ex who just want to come, you're thinking about your ex, it can be like that. You're still stuck in the situation so that your ex couldn't come into your life, they just want to be with you again. It could be like that. Option 2, with got a temperance card, the other person also feel like you are, weighing everything, whatever happened in the past between you and with this person. They feel like you are weighing everything. Okay, this happened when I went into this person's life. Okay, this happened, I was sad, I was happy. The other person feel like you're weighing everything, whatever happened between you guys. There is no chance of, yeah, many, I feel like many of you are asking about your ex. Okay, yeah, many of you don't want to get into relationship with this person, but still you are asking about them. Definitely you have feelings for them. Option 2, okay, but something happened, I feel like something happened between you guys, and all of a sudden you left this person, or they left you, and you're still asking about them, asking about the other person. Okay, the other person, just if it's not your ex, the one whom you're thinking, they want to rush into your life because you're kind of attracting, like you are sad, they just want to make it correct with you. Option 2, they just want correct everything whatever happened, or I don't feel like this is someone new you are thinking. I feel like this is someone whom you know from your past. Someone, yeah, we'll just we just want one more card to know exactly what they think about you. They just want to come, I mean, they just want to be, again, they just want to move into your life. Option 2. Okay, we just want one more card for option 2. Okay, we got it. Okay, the very first card we got is the Ace of Swords. They just want to make it happen. Option 2, they just want to restart, give it a restart for your relationship, make it everything in alignment. They just want to make it perfect. Queen of Cups, definitely they have some feelings, not some feelings, they just want to be with you. They just like, they are holding their feelings that should I have to make a move, or I feel like this person is wishing for you. Option 2, no doubt they want you back into their life, because whatever happened, they're feeling sad. They see that you are sad. They see that, yeah, they just want to make a move, start something fresh. They're wishing you right now, they're praying for you right now, they're feeling the loss. Yeah, the other person has feelings for you, the true intention that they just want to be with you. Option 2, I don't say it is having so much of potential, or it's like you are asking about them. I can just say that they're like praying for you. They want you to be around them. They just want to share feelings. They just want to give it a restart between you guys. Okay, that is all for the option 2. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. That is okay. Option 3, those who choose the third option, so your reading is here for the question, their true intentions and feelings towards you. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel, follow me on Instagram, the ID link will be in the description. Okay, option 3, your question, their true feelings and intentions about you. You can keep anyone in your mind. It can be the ex, it can be someone for whom you have feelings. Okay, we got the Page of Cup and the Death card. Okay, the other person whom you're thinking right now, okay, they feel like I feel like you are the youngest when it compared to other person whom you're thinking. You just have feelings towards them. Yeah, they know that you have feelings for you, feelings for them. You're just keeping it on hold. We got the Death card here. You're not expressing what is all about. You're not expressing. We shall see some more cards for you. Option 3. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, we got the Queen of Wands and we got the Tower card. Okay, don't worry about the Tower moment here. Yeah, I feel like you are a bit of attracting to that person. You are physically attracting them. You're having this attractive physique, the way you speak, the way you look, the other person, kind of attracting them. Okay, we got the Death card. Definitely this talks about something is going to end here. Yeah, Page of Cups. As I told, the other person think you like someone who has feelings, but still you're not able to express them. Just thinking about it could also be like something major damage happened between you guys, or it could also be like something major disappointment or something bad happened between you guys, something which is very very bad. The other person, it could be like you could be asking about your ex or someone who never shared feelings, just had it on your own. You never opened up to this person. Okay, the other person feel like, yeah, I know that this option 3 loves me or they have something towards me, but still not able to open up because you feel like nothing happens between you guys. It can never happen. Or yeah, something I also feel like there's something happened between you guys. You're still thinking about it, or you're a bit of negative thinking person. We got the Strength card. Amazing. The other person also thinks like you have this strength to handle the relationship or handle the situation, whatever happened in the past. You have this strength, potential to handle and move on, but still you are like not able to, or it could also be like the other person see you like you have feelings but you hold it on your own, or it is also like you right now you have transformed from something, or yeah, you have completely changed because of something happened in the past between you guys. You are right now having no feelings towards them. It could also be like that. Option 3, the other person have this strong feeling, strong intention about you, that you have changed, completely changed after something happened between you guys. But they still feel like there could be something, I mean there is a possibilities that something might happen between you guys. There is still opportunity, or they're just waiting for one more option, I mean like one more opportunity, one more chance, because they have the strong feelings. Whatever happened in the past, there is still potential for you both. There is still potential for your connection. You're still attracting them. Option 3, they haven't let go this relationship. They still have the strength for you, strength for this relationship. They still are waiting for this relationship to happen between you guys. Okay, but you are like you're like, you know, you don't have any feelings for them. You're like, you have become stoned. Yeah, this is kind of confusing them. Okay, you feel like option 3, you feel like, okay, you are like making them think that you don't care about the relationship, but the other person whom you are thinking right now, they know that you care for this relationship. You have gone through all these nightmares, all this anxiety situation, or you have gone through all this, you know, depression. You have come out of this depression. You are still facing this depression, but still you are not making any move, or yeah, the other person, you are showing this strong resisting face for this person. Option 3, they just want to, I feel like they just want to enter into your life, but whatever happened in the past, you are still in the past situation. I feel like the option 2, they have just came to the option 3, because almost I got the same result for the option 2 also. Okay, option 3, so you are like giving them a danger face. It's like you are not letting them to enter into your life. Option 3, whatever happened in the past, it really hurt you. Yeah, I agree with that. It really hurt you, but the other person still think like we still have, oh my god, I feel like the second option have come here definitely, because almost same cards we got. You're still stuck in the past situation. Option 3, what is wrong? Okay, whatever happened, something major disappointment happened. I agree with that, with this person. You're still into this, into the other person thing, like you're still into the past situation. Whatever wrong happened between you guys, you are still like holding it in your mind. Okay, but yeah, though you have broke up or something happened, you both are not together, but still I feel like, yeah, but still the other person is like, they want you back. Okay, they just want this new beginning. Option 3, okay, whatever happened, bad happened, disappointed, they hurt you to the end, I mean like they hurt you to the major. Okay, but still they see there is some love left in your heart for them. There is some feelings left for you. Okay, they want it to happen, they want it to give a restart, or it could be like they want the they want to end this situation, whatever happened between you guys, and start a new beginning. They just want to end whatever happened between you guys. They just want to end it. Okay, because you're still attracting, you are attracting with the Queen of Wands. Definitely you are strong enough with the Strength card. They trust this relationship. They feel like you are strong enough right now. You are very strong, you have become strong. Okay, from whatever happened in the past, right now you're strong, and they still want you. Okay, they're like expressing their feelings, but you are like, yeah, you haven't forgot whatever happened between you guys, and you have come up with a strong mind. Amazing. Option 3, you have become strong. Amazing. This is amazing card, and they see that the person whom you're thinking, they see that you have become strong this time, and nobody can hurt you this time. Okay, this is something amazing. Okay, Okay, right now you're single and you have this strong, you have everything in your life, like you are happy, you have people whom you want surrounding you, you have this very good fortune, very good community you are involved in. It could be like you have got new job, new place, you have gone through new place where you are very happy right now. The other person is watching you, option 3. It could be your ex who made you feel so sick in the past. They are watching you like someone who is leading a very potential life, a strong life. You're happy right now and they want to come back, but you are not letting them in. They see that you are happy right now. Without them, you are happy. You have come out of all those bad situations, all those difficult situations. Right now you're happy, you're single, you're happy. All I want to say is you have made up your environment such a way that you're happy. That's it. That is all for the option 3. This is something amazing I got after very long time. Okay, if you guys like the video, please hit the like button, follow me on Instagram, please subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in a very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hey, option 4 people, those who choose the 4th option, so your reading is here for the question, their true intentions and feelings towards you. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. Follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description below. I'm so sorry for the disturbance which I'm getting today. Or yeah. Okay, for the question, their true feelings and intentions towards you, option 4. Okay, we got the very first card as the Queen of Cups. No doubt, option 4, they love you. They're holding this love like a trophy. Oh my god. We got the 3 of Swords and 10 of Pentacles. Okay, what's happening? I feel like the someone whom you're thinking right now, option 3, they have come out of this breakup, or they know the situation about this breakup, or they know about heartbreaks. Okay, that the someone, I mean, like it's like, yeah, the one whom you're thinking, option 3, I mean option 4, I'm really sorry for that. They see potential within you. Okay, they also see that you have come out of this heartbreak. Okay, just forget about my first sentence. Okay, they see you like someone who have come out of this heartbreak, or you have faced a major heartbreak in your life. It could also be like they broke your heart. Right now you have feelings for them. Okay, they see the potential within you, option 4. No doubt, they see the potential. Still, you are still happy around people whom, it could be like you're happy with your family. Yeah, we'll pull some more cards for you guys, option 4. Okay, the other person feel like you're having feelings for them. Something happened between you guys, something broke your heart. Okay, you are still stuck between two situations, option 4. Between the two options, the one whom you're thinking right now, they feel like the major setback happened with you recently, or recently someone broke your heart. Right now it's like you are it's not like you are still into the relationship. Whatever happened, you are stuck into that. It's not like that. Right now you're thinking a lot. If you really want to let someone into your life, you are thinking a lot about it. The other person feel like that. You just don't randomly make a decision if they come into your life. Definitely you'll think a lot about the person, you'll waste a lot about it. But the other person see potential within you, option 4. Definitely they feel like they will be happy if they are with you. Definitely you are leading a life which is attracting them. It could be also like, if they are into your life, because I see the family card, it definitely like they want to build a family with you. They just want to be with you. Though I also feel like they hurt you. I mean, like recently something, a minor heart, it's minor heartbreak. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, it could be also like there are two options with you right now. You might be making a decision about the two options. The other person also might think that you are weighing between two options, or not sure. It could be also like this person proposed you, the one whom you're thinking. They feel like you are thinking between two options, or you haven't even answered their proposals. They also feel like, did I hurt this person? Okay, let me just confirm it. Option 4. What is this all about? Why did they hurt you, and why are you keeping them as an option? They're feeling like that. You have kept them like an option right now, but they want to be with you. Option 4, definitely the Fool card. They also say you like someone who doesn't take much risk in your life. If you want, you will go. If you don't want, definitely you will be there. You haven't depend on anyone, on this person also. You haven't depend, it's like, I don't feel like you love them. They're feeling like it, okay? They feel like you don't love them, or you really don't have feelings towards them. But still, yeah, you are like a random person. They feel like that. You just don't have feelings for a particular person. Or yeah, let me just see what else we are getting. Okay, definitely we got the Two of Pentacles and Two of Swords here. Definitely you are weighing between two options. The other person think like weighing between two options. The Empress card, you are like an abundance for them. Option 1, you are sitting in a position where you have everything, all happiness. You have this, the family with you. Family card, definitely you have your family, you have your friends gang, or you have your very good job. If you are working, definitely you are stable with your job, you are strong enough, that's enough for you. Okay, definitely the other person whom you're thinking, they think like that. Okay, right now you're weighing between two options or two persons, or it could be like that. There are two person who in your life, it can be like that. Option 4, the one is the one whom you're thinking, the other is, it could be your family, or it could be the any other person whom really broke your heart. It could be like that. Okay, if it can also be like you're waiting for someone, the other person feel like, the one whom you're thinking right now, that person feel like you're waiting for someone, or you are thinking a lot about this person, what to choose, way to choose. There is some disagreement going between you and this person. Definitely I feel like something happened. It actually, like not a major thing happened between you guys. Okay, the one whom you're thinking, don't be confused. Okay, still there is disagreement, struggle. It's not like a struggle, you both are into conflict. Something is going on present moment. That's what the other person think, like you are choosing here, choosing between two. Okay, the other person is kind of waiting for your decision. It could be like whatever happened between, and they still came to you, and right now you are taking it as an option. Still the disagreement is going on between you guys. Okay, you're feeling stuck. The other person think like you are feeling stuck with them. You're not able to make a move towards them, or you are resisting to make a move towards them. Something happened, something heartbreak situation with the Three of Swords. Definitely you are keeping it in your mind and not making any move towards this person. Fool is about movement. Definitely it's like I can see Two of Swords and Two of Pentacles. Definitely you are weighing the situation, whatever happened between this guy with you guys. And again I see that the page of Queen of Cups is your person. They have opened up with you. Let us make it right, let us be family again, or let us be the same how we was. They see you like someone with a full of abundance, full, you are still happy, or it could be like you don't miss them. They're feeling like there is no missing situation happening, because I feel like you both are together, but still there is like conflict going on, disagreement going on between you guys. The other person thinks like you are resisting to make a move towards them. Okay, you are not completely, you haven't come toward any decision about this person. You're like resisting to make a move towards this person. Okay, the other person think like that, not me, the cards are saying. Okay, the Hierophant, this is all about someone guiding about the good fortune, someone guiding about the good way. It's all about the guidance, I can say that. I feel like that there is someone in your life, the other person whom you're thinking right now, they think that there is one in your life who is actually guiding you towards about the situation, whatever happens. See this Five of Wands, whatever happened between you guys, the other person think like the one whom you're thinking. Okay, that person feel like there is someone in your life who is guiding you about the conflict happened between you guys and not making you to make any decision with the 8 of Swords. Definitely there is someone behind, or right now you have very good knowledge about this person, so that's why you're holding it, still holding, resisting this person to enter into your life. Okay, that is all about the option 4. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.